How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Simply open your Facebook application. Then on the top right corner you can either see your profile picture or three horizontal bars. Simply click on it. Now scroll down and then click on the drop down menu of help and support. Now here click on help center, or here click on report a problem. Now here click on continue to report a problem. Now here click on don't include. Now here click on marketplace, and here just describe the issue that you are dealing. Then on the top right corner you can see an arrow. Simply click on it and send the report, and within 48 hours the Facebook team will reach you back and they will surely help you out. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye.